Are you struggling with unsightly stains on your render? It's a common problem affecting homes and buildings across the country. Stains like black lichen and organic matter not only look bad, but can also cause long-term damage to your property. I'm Mark, and I understand how frustrating these stains can be. Traditional cleaning methods often fall short, leaving you with poor results. But there's good news. Gel X Pro Render Cleaner is specifically designed to tackle these tough stains effectively. Gel X Pro utilizes a powerful formula to penetrate and break down the stains, ensuring your render looks as good as new. Unlike other cleaners, Gel X Pro is easy to apply and works its magic without harsh scrubbing or damage to your render. It's not just about aesthetic appeal. Regular use of Gel X Pro helps protect and preserve your render, saving you money in the long run. Don't just take my word for it. See what our satisfied customers have to say about the transformation Gel X Pro has made to their properties. Say goodbye to stubborn stains and hello to pristine render with Gel X Pro. Visit our website link to learn more and order yours today. Your property deserves the best care, and with Gel X Pro Render Cleaner, that's exactly what it gets.